welcome to Anthem House. I can't wait to show you our one-bedroom model, which is 764 square feet. This apartment features a beautiful island with quartz countertops to create a really nice intimate dining experience. The kitchen features very tall cabinets. There's also beautiful white tile backsplash. I like to show you our living room. This space is perfect for a sectional couch, and there's lots of storage space opportunities available. For the bedroom, there's a lot of natural light that comes in from these windows. If you're looking to bring a king size, there's enough room to bring your own bed with you. Let's take a walk through our spacious closet. Here's the bathroom. As you can see, it's got beautiful tile on the ground as well as in the shower. There's also a spacious vanity with lots of cabinet space to bring all of your bathroom essentials with you. We are looking forward to making Anthem House your new home.